Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can only me the featured photos there on your Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead and open our Facebook over here and go ahead, tap on this profile icon given on left corner. Now go ahead, swipe down, find your featured photos right there. So why featured photos are the option? Because it is meant for you to feature all of your pictures for the public to see purpose, right? But if you do not want that, for example, if this is the one, if you don't want this picture to be there, what you can do is tap on this three dot icon. You can either delete your featured collection, that is the way, but you want to keep it, then you can change the particular picture so they won't be able to see that one but the other one, so it's gonna like cover up. If you don't want that, the other thing that you can do is you go back again, tap on this profile icon with the menu, go to settings, scroll down, go to this stories option in this audience and visibility section, go to story privacy. Story privacy also is connected with the featured, so if what you will do is you can simply go ahead, change the public to friend. You can see this hide story from. If you tap on that, you will be able to hide story. So here comes the hard part, but if you would like to hide it from everybody in your Facebook, you will have to choose practically everybody. That's the way you will be able to make it only to yourself. Other than that, you will just make it to friends if you're okay with that. This is the options available. You do not have actually the option available where you can put it to like only me option right there. So we're really sorry for that, it's not available unfortunately, but this is the way you can actually fix it. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.